My name is Sammy Mudede. I was born and raised in Harare, the capital city of Zimbabwe. I then came over to the United States in 2009 to start my bachelor's degree in computer science at Houston-Tillotson University in Austin, Texas. After that, I came over to Pittsburgh to Carnegie Mellon University in the fall of 2013 to start the MSIT-SE program. So outside of being just a software engineer, I'm an engineer, and as a freshman going on to my sophomore year in my undergrad, I actually founded a chapter of the National Society of Black Engineers at my school, Houston-Tillotson University. And I went on to be on their regional board. The organization gave me an opportunity to lead and also to just share my influence with others, and whether it was scholarships or networking or those kinds of opportunities. And probably most importantly, it gave sort of an outlet for increasing diversity in engineering, including software engineering as well. So I decided to join the MSIT-SE because having had that experience with NSBE before, I knew that these kinds of organizations work and they make a difference. And I believe in them, and I wanted to join it and make a difference. As an engineer and as a person, as a student, you need a support group and a support community. And MSIT-SE provided that not only for myself, but for a lot of others in my program as well. So after completing this program, I believe that I will be an agent of change. Firstly, by applying what I've learned, and that comes from, as I mentioned earlier, asking the right questions. I believe that'll definitely get me to a better answer, a better solution to solving the problems that I'll face in the industry. And then I'll also be an agent of change by simply leading by example. Not everyone can attend and be part of this program, but they can certainly think like someone who has. And me sort of showcasing what I've learned and influencing others can definitely result in me being an agent of change. So the Tomayko scholarship means a lot to me. I was honored and glad to have been the recipient of the scholarship, and it made a massive difference for me and my family, because essentially the funding that I'd been relying on for my tuition sort of fell through about halfway through the fall semester, my first semester here. And beyond any other resources that myself and my family had, the Tomayko scholarship essentially provided the difference that enabled me to stay here and finish the program. So it's made a big difference to me, and it's also taught me a lot about giving back. Like now, personally, having been the beneficiary of something like it, I know that I have to, and I'm committed to giving back as well after I'm done with the program. To all those people who have made a gift to the Tomayko scholarship before in the past, I would say thank you. Thank you so very much for making a difference in my life and the life of many others. And to those who are thinking about it for the future, I would say definitely go ahead and do it, because you'd be making a major impact, not only the life of an individual student, but in the life of families essentially, and the industry. And I absolutely encourage it.